All right, everybody, welcome to week 37. Last week of school, as you are aware. If you owe me stuff, you need to focus on that because this week I am giving you guys a catch-up week, which means you are able to work on any of the assignments that you still owe me. Check the grade book. If you want me to print you out a grade sheet, I will. Whatever you need, let me know. Otherwise, if you've turned all of your assignments in, see if there's anything that you can't do better on. That's a possibility. If not, you can work on something else. Maybe you've been wanting to try one of the softwares that I have on the computer. Check that out. If not, if that's not your thing, the last thing you should do is work on anything else you have for another class. I'm not trying to make this last week hard because I know that there are a lot of people that it's been a struggle trying to keep up with the week-to-week stuff, so I want to give you time to get that done because I know for a fact I think you guys are able to turn stuff in next week, right? Yeah, none of you are going to do that. Don't lie to yourselves and don't lie to me. I know you guys. You're not going to do it. After Friday hits, it's summer vacation. We all know you're not touching any of your work. So, I can't blame you. I mean, I'd probably do the same. So, this week, you're doing the work that you owe me. All right? So, check that out. If you want me to print you out a grade sheet, let me know. I will. I will not be here Tuesday, so tomorrow. For those that I have in school, I will leave grade sheets with the sub to give to you. For those that I meet with on Zoom, I will be on Zoom, so we can go into breakout rooms and talk about your grade sheets then. But that's just for Tuesday. I'll be here Thursday and Friday. Otherwise, that is all I have for you guys. Make sure you check out your grade book, see what grades you owe me. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in class.